Have you ever thought what separates billionaires from the rest of us? Is it luck? Is it talent? Or is there some kind of special recipe? Let me tell you this truth that most people never realize in their life and they stay poor. Billionaires have something very special and it's not what you think. So if you want to know that secret, do not skip this video. You just need to understand these 3 simple traits, and guess what? Anyone can develop them. Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this with someone who needs to hear this. The first trait that the billionaires have is energy. Like you and me, we all have energy. Everything on this planet is energy. Everything in the universe is energy. Then what makes it different? Not just any energy, but a very infectious kind. Billionaires, they wake up with a fire inside them, just like me and you. But they are not driven by that fire. They are not driven by motivation, but consistency. Every moment matters for them and they are never tired. They don't say, I don't have time. They take out time. Billionaires find ways to get the most out of every second, every day, and they are always thinking strategically about how to channelize their inner energy into something productive. This is what makes the difference. So, this focus is everything. It's not about how much energy you have, but how you are using it. Because me and you, we all have the same amount of time, same 24 hours, and almost equal energy. Okay, let's say, what if I wake up tomorrow with the same drive, same urgency, and the same amount of funds as a billionaire? What would you achieve? क्या आप अपनी एनर्जी को आज सही डायरेक्शन में लगा रहे हो? Are you doing the things that can change your life? If not, it's time to change. Moving to the second trait. The second trait of billionaires is that they make mistakes and they make them fast. Yes, you heard me right. They are not afraid of mistakes. They don't seem to seek perfection. Most people fear failure. They avoid mistakes at all costs. But billionaires, they know how to embrace failure. They know that failure is not the ending. It's just a part of the process and it will only lead to success. They make fast decisions even if it means falling a lot of times. And guess what? Falling fast means you can get back up faster. You see, it's never about failing or falling. It's about how you get better with each and every failure. क्योंकि गलतियां हम सब करते हैं, लेकिन क्या हम उन गलतियों से कुछ सीख रहे हैं? क्या हम उन गलतियों से ऊपर उठ रहे हैं? क्या हम उन गलतियों को अपनी पूरी लाइफ कंट्रोल करने दे रहे हैं? This is what makes all the difference. Now coming to the third trait. The third trait is about how they handle pressure. Yes, when the world is collapsing around us, we are not able to survive this. When we talk about successful people and the billionaires, they remain calm. Yes, very calm. They have a very different threshold for pressure, for taking pressure, for working under stress. The very important part of enduring challenges is to set your threshold. You need to set a threshold for yourself so that you can push harder and also know when you are about to break down. You can't achieve great things when you are burnt out, right? So you need to know your threshold and work accordingly. Talking about billionaires, they don't just survive stress. They thrive in it, grow in it. And they know exactly how much pressure they can handle before they break down completely and get burned out. They push their limits every day, थोड़ा-थोड़ा. So, अगर आपने अपना थ्रेशोल्ड तैयार कर लिया है, तो क्या आप खुद को प्रेशर में डालने की हिम्मत रखते हो? हर रोज चैलेंजेस फेस करने का सामना रखते हो? If yes, you are on the right path. So in conclusion, billionaires and successful people, they don't have many different rules. They operate on the same rules like the rest of us, but different methods. Their energy, it's unlike anything you have ever seen. Their mistakes, they make them fast and learn from them even faster. They take action very quickly. And pressure, they might get affected like all of us, but they are resilient enough to learn their lesson and make a comeback stronger. So here's the question. What will you do? Will you step up and develop these traits? Will you overcome the mistakes you're doing right now? Or will you stay stuck, hoping for things to magically change one day for good? The choice is yours. Start today. Develop these billionaire traits and watch how your life gets transformed. If this video touched you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, the first step to success is always action. So take one now.